Welcome back to Social Science class. I am your Naveen. Today's class we are going to talk on India's problems and their solution or remedies. In that I have taken today's chapter. Today's subtopic is communalism. What is communalism? The word communalism is used to denote the attempts to promote primarily religious stereotypes between groups of people, identify different communities, and stimulate violence between those groups. It derives not from a community, but it's from tension between religious or communities. It's simple thing we can say that it is a clashes between the two religion. It's mainly the thing is here what happens means the clashes between the religion only the we can call as a simple way we can call it as a communalism. Communalism roids are an indicator of social cultural difference existing between the communities. It's like a history class without fact, religion. In history class, we know we need to know about the facts with evidence, but religion somewhere we don't have any uh, evidence. Sometimes we can call it also right. How communalism's rise of communalism in India. First one we can tell religious violence has probably existed for as long as religion. The progress of science and technology have enabled religious extremists to hate and kill even more effectively. Communal violence in India started during the emergence of mass politics, that is in the year of 1920s, and have persisted after independence. India has pluralistic society, that is we can say that the multiracial, multi-religious, multilingual. Lingual is nothing but a language, and multicultural polity is bound to have conflicting interest. Each community tries to preserve and promote its own interest, and when the interest of two communities clashes, communal conflict is triggered off. Communal riots are not caused spontaneously, and it also they are rarely caused by religious animosity. The arise are due to conflicting political interest, often linked to the what we can say as a link to economic interest. So the what are the communalism? It will not spontaneously. Sometime it will be. And what are the characteristic of communalism? Communalism is an ideological concept. It is a complex process also. It encompasses social, economic, and political aspects for its manifestation. It causes rivalry, violence, and tension among masses. Communalism is simply engineered by opportunistic political and economic interests and contending groups and faction within a political party or by political parties. It strikes at the root of democracy, secularism, and national integration. It is affects and distorts also. Science and religion. The cartoon you can see by Dragon Conwell. Here, religion, did you see new weapon that I made? Weapons, you see. Weapons like are evil and wrong. But since you have already made it, do you think I could use these people that I hate? So, what is the causes for communalism? One is divide and rule policy, which has adopted by the British. That was a major cause. You know, you know that when we are discussing in the history, Firstly, they have divided Bengal into two provisions on the religion of what majorly what Hindus and Muslims. That one provide organization and political factor, sometimes economic factor also, education and cultural factors, entry indifferent government, ineffective handling of communal roads. Imagine God, what are the economic effects of communalism? Communalism is a major obstacle that tends to separate people on the basis of religion, language, territories, and ethnic origin. Communalism is inevitable, leads to communal riots, and the authorities, in order to control the situation, imposes curfew. Furthermore, the worst form of violence take place during the period of curfew in the course of police hunt for antisocial elements. Another negative effect of communalism upon people is that one of the unhealthy development that has erupted into society. The biggest suffers due to religious communalism are the minorities. The communal riots between Hindus and Muslims in India evoke unfavorable reaction and criticism not only from Pakistan but other Islamic countries of West Asia and Africa, which adversely affects our relationship with them. Communalism give rise to terrorism also. Religion and wars, atheism and peace. In the beginning, man created God. This is about the communism. In the next class, I'm coming to other things like poverty and one more other this one. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.